So it just arrived, our mirror dash cam with streaming media. Let's dig into it. Take this guy off, and if we lay it down here, we open it up, nice box. Take this cover off of it, and take this guy out, and you can see it's really cool. It's got the mirror, it's got the camera on the bottom there. It's got a built-in micro SD card. We can pop that guy out and check it out. Looks like this one's a 32 gig. Awesome. Can put it in here. You can see you have your charge port there. So if we plug this guy in like this, takes mini USB, can plug it in, and you can see let's turn it on. Nice tone. Alright. Let's see, let's turn this guy back on. Cool. Nice ringtone. Looks like it's low power. Let's try and plug it into a different USB port. Let's try this guy here. Looks like this guy needs a lot of power. As you can see, it has really good build quality. It's got the vent in the back and the clips on the side, as you can see. Really nice camera with the protective cover on it. And there's your memory card and your GPS and your AV in and your USB. Hope you enjoy.